Okay, so for the anchor chart on the fractions, decimals turning into fractions, for start with terminating decimal to a fraction, use like the fraction 0.375. So first what you do is you see the amount of digits after the decimal. So there's 3, which is also known as the thousandth place. So that means what we do is, second step is multiply by a fancy 1. So what you do is, since it's 3 digits, which is the thousandth place, you multiply your 0.375 times 1,000 over 1,000, which is 1. And then the last step is reduce. And that would, so it's after you had to the first or the second part, you have 375 over 1,000 divided by its common denominator of 125, which gets you to 3s right here. Next, for the repeating decimal to a fraction, say our decimal is 0.4 repeated. First, what you do is you write that as an equation, so like x equals 0.4 repeated. Next, the number of repeating digits, it's 1, or it's in the 10th place, so 10 on each side of the equation. Then we'll multiply the 10 to both those, so we have 10x equals 4.4 repeated. We simplify that by subtracting 0.4 repeated away from that to give us our 10x minus 4 repeated equals 4. And as we set up here, x equals 0.4 repeated, so that means negative 0.4 repeated will equal right there, which is 10x minus x equals 4. So, and then after that, we go to this far side solve. So 10x minus x is obviously 9x. 9x equals 4. So then divide by 9 to get us to x equals 4/9. And for the last part, non-terminating, non-repeating decimals to a fraction cannot be written as a fraction. So you will just keep those as a decimal.